I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Upload saves to cloud or copy to a USB drive and make sure the console is on AC power. Once done, fully power off the PS5, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This boots safe mode. Make sure you have a USB cable and connect the controller directly to the console, then press the PS button to pair. This gets you into safe mode so you can choose the correct reset option. You now pick the right safe mode option based on the problem and why. Choose Rebuild Database to clean and reindex storage when the system is sluggish or files are corrupted. This preserves games and saves. If you need a full wipe because settings or accounts are irreparably damaged, select Initialize PS5. This deletes user data. If firmware is damaged, reinstall the system software from a FAT32/X FAT containing the PS5 update. Pup file in PS5/update and follow on-screen prompts. After the selected process finishes, the console will restart. Make sure you update the system software when prompted, then sign into your PlayStation Network account to restore cloud saves and redownload games. Once restored, check settings and linked accounts to confirm everything works. If the console fails to complete initialization or won't boot after reinstall, try the USB reinstall again with a different drive and correct folder structure. If that still fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.